quantum computers beyond the hype?
Quantum computers are often portrayed as magical devices that can instantly solve any problem. In reality, their capabilities are remarkable but specialized. Let's separate fact from fiction and see what quantum computers can and cannot do.
The myth of instant problem solving.
A common myth is that quantum computers can crack any code, solve any equation, or render traditional computers obsolete overnight. This is not true. Quantum computing isn't universally faster than classical computing for all tasks, and some problems remain just as challenging.
What quantum computers excel at?
Quantum computers shine in certain areas like simulating molecules, optimizing complex systems, and factoring large numbers. These are tasks where their unique properties, such as superposition and entanglement, offer real advantages over traditional computers.
Important limitations to know.
Despite their potential, quantum computers currently face major limitations. They are prone to errors, require extremely cold environments, and deal with a limited number of reliable quantum bits, or qubits. Most real-world tasks still depend on classical computers.
The future of quantum computing.
Quantum computers hold great promise for the future, but they are not a one-size-fits-all solution. They won't instantly solve every problem, but for certain specialized applications, they could revolutionize fields like cryptography, chemistry, and materials science.